y'all. Hey, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. How y'all doing? What's going on? Y'all, I wasn't really doing nothing. I've been up since the break of dawn. Amber accidentally called me at 4 this morning, right? And so I've been up since then. Then my brother got off work and he called at 7 something. So I talked to him. So I just been chilling around the house and goofing off. One of my girlfriends called and we sat and talked, and then my sister-in-law called and we talked. So I just been on the phone this morning. So I had taken my shower. So my mechanic called me at 12 o'clock talking about, because I had told him I think something needs to be fixed on my car and I was just going to order the part. He said, well, hold up, sister girl. Let me put it up on the rack and check and make sure that's what you need. So I said I could come yesterday. He said, well, I got a car right now. He said, but so he called me today at 12 and said, you could come today or you could come Monday. I'm like, I got to get on work and be running over there. I don't really want to do that. So, y'all, I done took a shower and got dressed and everything. It's 12:32 and I'm on my way. I said, let me get up and do the speed thing right quick. If he said he can look at it, I said, look, I'll be there in about an hour. I'm going to be a little bit longer than an hour because it said my arrival time is 1:10 because he live in Fraser in Memphis. So, it's a nice little ride, but that's all right. We going to get there today. I'm like, I ain't doing nothing today. We might well do it today. I was just going to kick it around the house, maybe get up and take my shower a little bit later on tonight. I wasn't really getting in no hurry to do nothing today. But I said, let me get on up and at least look halfway presentable, you know, going out in the public. You know, want to look like you're halfway, somebody care about you, if you care about yourself at least. But anyway, so yeah, that's where I'm on my way to now, y'all. What y'all got going on this Saturday? You know, and I told y'all I was going to hang around the house, but yeah, let me go see about this vehicle. Cause if he can get it fixed, I'm gonna order the part. It's gonna take a couple of days to get to the part anyway, you know. But if that's what it is, he might not be what it is. He might be able to fix it today. But I ain't got no. Well, I do have a little cash on me there, but I'm sure it ain't enough. But he's very reasonable. He don't try to overcharge me and stuff. And I told you I wasn't using that other guy again. Yeah, no, I ain't thinking about him. So we can forget it. I just missed the train. Look at God. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? All these cars will line up because they waiting on the train. But I missed that mother. Gonna turn this mother out. Gonna turn this mother. I know y'all don't want to talk to me the whole way on the mechanic, but I'm gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. I guess I might get me treat myself to some chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Well, I'm in a long line at the light, y'all. Yeah. Well, you can't win them all, can you? Yeah, they got this tent up here, you know, where you turn on, I don't know what street this is, to go to my house. And I think this Camp Creek. And they put the tent up. They had a tent up when it's be fireworks. That same people must own that lot. Because every time it's a holiday, they comes and puts up this tent to sell the fireworks. They'll have it up again during Christmas for whatever they are. I don't know what they be having over there during Christmas. I may go over there and be nosy during Christmas. But I know I don't want no Halloween costumes. Look like that's what they sell over there for Halloween. A bunch of costumes and stuff in there. From what I can see. Could y'all see what I'm talking about over there? It's a tent over there in that parking lot area. Yeah. So I guess they must do good sales, because other than when they had that tent over there, they had that dang on parking lot blocked off. So I guess, but I don't never see but 1 or 2 cars over there. But I guess I missed the rush. I must miss the rush, because I don't never see but 1 or 2 cars over there at the fireworks. When they had the fireworks too. But they have a lot of those firework tents, because they had them all up off of Goodman Road and different places, and they seem like they must do, I guess, a booming business. I don't know. Do they have these kind of tents where y'all live? Like they, oh, excuse me, y'all, I'm yawning. I'm sleeping, but I'm not sleeping, if that makes sense. You know, because I've been up, so like I say, since the break of dawn, but I wake up like that anyway. And I was just saying, when he called, I was talking to one of my girlfriends. I told her I had to get off the phone because that was the mechanic. And I said, shoot, I said, when I get off the phone talking to her, I'm going to take me a nap. I ain't taking no nap. I'm gonna take a nap right over here. But while he checking on this car, he has a room you set in. And it's a comfortable, it's his man cave, I guess, because he has a shop in the back of his house. And the last time I was over, I just got myself comfortable. So he might come in there and I might be snoring, child. In his recliner, because I'm going to recline right on back. And go to sleep probably over there, take me a little cat nap while he looking at my car to see what it needs. But anyway, y'all, I'm gonna talk back with y'all. And look at you say that every time, and you just keep on running your doggone mouth. Anyway, I'll be back, y'all. I done made it to this mechanic's house, and I'm gonna park this car. I'm not gonna be trying to drive back here through his shop. He gonna have to come get this car and drive it back here himself. Oh, he got cars everywhere. Let me get out here and go back here and tell him I'm here. All right, bye.
Yeah, get that part and we'll get it on for you.
Okay. So how much you gonna charge me?
You know I'm always gonna look out for you.
Yeah, he told me I'm leaving the mechanic's house. He told me what part it needed and close the darn thing up in the door. And so I'm gonna order the part, and he told me to order it based on my VIN number so I won't get the wrong thing. And when the part gets here, to give him a call, he will get it fixed for me. So I'm gonna do that. And since I'm in Memphis, I'm gonna roll up on Amber's godmother and surprise her. I think she's at work, and I'm gonna go where she's working and roll up on her today, see how she doing, because it's been a while since I've seen her, and I don't know my way. I'm all discombobulated around here in this darn neighborhood, don't know where I'm going, because he drove back and I told him to drive. He was driving the car to see what it was, you know, telling me what to drive me. I'm like, I think you better do the driving, partner. Cause yeah, so he got in the driver's seat and drove to see what was wrong with this thing and told me what to do. So I'm hoping to get that fixed. It's cool outside, but it's kind of stuffy in this car. I don't know whether to turn the air on or to roll the window down a little bit, because when I tried to roll the window down a few minutes ago, that air was whooping my tail. I'm like, it's a little too chilly in here. Well, sir, I don't know that man's business. He out there cutting his lawn. It don't look like it need to be cut, but I don't know how low he want it. I think I'm done for the year. Y'all done cutting y'all yard for the year. I think my yard man don't need to come back. Amber says she got hers done and got her trees and all that, limbs and stuff. The same yard man does in my yard. He cut down all the trees and stuff in the backyard and all of that good jazz. And for her, and the hedges down. She said she think that's her last cut for the year too, hopefully. But I noticed Amber grass was going a lot faster than ours. I think she gets it, you know, of course she's in Memphis too, so that's another horse of a different color. So I told her, your grass grow like it got some extra fertilizer in it or something. No matter how low he cut it, he'd be right back. She said within a week. Of course it was raining too, and them grass would be, I'm like, yo, when did he cut your yard? Be looking nice the first 2 days. Then it be looking like, who did it? Like, what is really going on? This wind. Y'all, I'll get back with y'all when I get over here by where Amber godmother is. Y'all, I done made it here. And she'll mess with herself, so I don't, there ain't no telling what she might say. But I'm finna roll up in here on her and surprise. I see one of her cars out here, so yeah, we finna see about this thing today. I don't know what time it's open. They might not even be open. I just saw somebody go in there, so here we go. It smells good. Smell it. He got that grill going over there. I think Saturday is their barbecue day, but the restaurant is called Day One. Day Ones. Day Ones. Hey, how you doing? All right. How you doing? I said I'm gonna roll up here on today.
Girl, where you been hiding?
Girl, at the house, honey. I had to come out here today because Ernie was looking at my car. So I said, let me come see. I said I'm gonna roll up here on her today.
What you got?
This my this
She got me. Hi, Let me go get this drink for her. See.
Yeah, y'all, I'm back in Mississippi now. I'm going into the corner store because even though somebody in California won that $1 billion, I'm gonna go up in here and get me a Powerball ticket still. I won some on a ticket, but I'm not sure how much it was. So, depending on what it is what I'll play. How you doing? Good. Yes, sir. How much is that win? So I don't know before I play anymore. Oh, anyway, y'all, this music playing, so let me get off here. I'll see y'all when I get back to the car. Okay, y'all. I got my Powerball and a couple of more tickets, but I actually had won on the Match 5. I got a $2 quick pick, and I won $20. I wasn't sure what I had won, so I got another one. That's just a lottery specific to Mississippi. Well, I'm a godmother now. We spent some time. I turned it off because we spent some time visiting, kind of catching up. I hadn't seen her in months, and we spent some time catching up, talking about the kids were grown women. Cause, you know, our children are grown. The youngest one out of all of them is 26. So let me put my seatbelt on. With all this racket noise going on, but yeah, so we spent some time, like I said, just talking and visiting with each other. And she was telling me they have music on Saturday night. I said, girl, you know I ain't finna drive way back over here in the Memphis for no darn they play the blues or something. She said they have a blues person out in the parking lot on Saturdays. I might surprise and go one Saturday, but it won't be this Saturday. Nah, I ain't no need to be lying. I know I ain't going on no Saturday unless I got somebody going, because I don't fumble them out around a whole lot when it gets dark out. I surely don't. They be over there hanging out listening to no blues, that's for sure. But anyway, and that's that for that. So I'm headed on to the house now. I'm actually kind of sleepy. I got a slight little headache, but I did eat some because I got some wings just to try, you know, the restaurant. I said I would try something, and I did eat one of the wings in the car. They were okay. I think my stomach, I was kind of a little sickly to my stomach, but anyway. So what y'all been doing this fine day? I'm gonna get home and then put this darn VIN number in and see about getting this darn car part ordered. So hopefully he can go ahead and get that fixed for me real soon. Because I'm thinking I'm going to drive my car out of town here shortly on a little weekend trip. She was asking me, was I going to see Anita Baker? But I told her no, that I had chosen to do something else instead, you know. Even though I don't mind doing stuff, I try to budget out. I don't even know how much Anita Baker tickets were, the one thing, but the murder mystery thing was $75 a pop, so for us to go to that. So I'm like, no, I'm only gonna do so much. I can't be doing that. Wasn't in the plans. And then I'm still working on my spending money for the cruise as well too. Although I probably ain't gonna spend a whole lot, I'm still working on it, you know. So there's that for that. Anyway, and we were talking, me and my girlfriend was talking earlier, and I was telling her I saw this same thing on Tabitha Brown. One of my other girlfriends has been elevated into a position of supervisor, and she was just saying how, you know, people that, we were just talking, and I was saying, yeah, as I moved up and done better, you know, you don't change, but the people around you change. And then I said, what shocked me was the people that saw me in my struggle season bad. It's not like I'm just doing so great now. You know, I have my own share of things going on now. But people saw me in my struggle season. You know, you would have thought those would have been the people that would have celebrated. That would have been a testimony for them too, for me. And I was just telling her, I said, those were the least ones, you know, and they changed towards me. Those are the ones I don't hear from. You know, I said, but you just have to thank God that even in your season, you know, sometimes God will move people out your life. And it don't be the people that you love. It's gonna be some family members. It could be some friends that you thought was just your ace coon boom. But when God move you to the next level, they not really on your team. You know, you find out only then. You will never find out. And she said, why would people want you to stay down? I don't know. That's just seeming. It's not like we're the only, like I told her, we're not the only ones that experience this. You know, it has been a cycle of life, and I don't know why that is. You know, Tabitha Brown, I was watching an interview she had, and she was speaking about it, you know, as she elevated up how people that she thought would be there, you know, and how it really hurt her that those people weren't, you know, there for her. You know, in the end, you know, they kind of let her go. She said it hurt, but you know, it is what it is. You have to just accept that sometimes God moves people out of your life, and that's a good thing too. You know, sometimes it's because you don't want people that don't really be for you around you. But anyway, hold on one second, y'all. Let me get out this car. Y'all, I done made it back in the house, thankfully. I'm getting ready to get me some tea in my cup. I'm gonna take me a seat and watch me find something over here on this TV if I don't be asleep in a minute. I told you I was gonna take a nap before I went over there to the mechanic. Anyway, today, y'all, let's go by and wish our good sis Nevaeh 30. She's part of the family, been part of the family probably since I've been on YouTube or close to it. Say hey to her. How you doing? She does a lot of lives where she plays music and she be jamming to the old school, you know. But yeah, I'll go over and say hello to her today. Say, hey girl, hey, what's up? But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna drink this tea. I might eat a little popcorn or something for a snack and watch something on the television. But I'm done for today. Put a fork in me, a sister is done. But anyway, thank y'all as always for coming, hanging with me. Y'all know I'll see y'all tomorrow for something or something other. But anyway, let me get me a piece of candy. I want something sweet. Got me a Hershey Zero Sugar. Have some. Y'all want a piece? Anyway, y'all, thank you again for joining me. You know you love. I love you, but God truly loves you the most. Remember to always be kind to yourself and others. Be joyful and be blessed. Here, have a bite. Now go on now, take it. Anyway, love y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.